Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do another video on a string method, if I could type string today, and it's going to be Startswith. A couple of videos ago we did ends with, so you're going to be able to put this together pretty easily, but let's just knock it out. Oh, and also, if you've not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I don't want you missing any one of these videos. So, alright, let's just jump into it. Starts, and we take a string, and actually, we can read the, let's just do this. And I want to make sure that you know how to pull these up without having to have a variable. So you can literally just type the Python variable class string str and you get all the methods for it. And we got, there we go, there's starts with right there. So we type in help str. Let's get that out of the way so we can starts with. What do we do? Returns true if s starts with the prefix, false if otherwise, then we have a starting point, and yada yada yada. So let's just jump into it. So we have our string that we're going to test, then our var for our variable or our group of variables, and then we're just going to return our string with starts with, and then test our var. Close that out, do print. Let's just say we want see if this is white, and we're going to test if been leaving parentheses out all night. There we go. So let's just run this. And we get true. So there we go. That is that. This is strings start with method. Sorry about that, guys. So, real quick video today, just going through a bunch of methods here recently. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. And most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you missing a thing. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.